In this video, I will show you how to automatically add commas to numbers in Microsoft Excel. So there is very simple and quick way. Like you have some numbers like this, and you will not see the comma in numbers. So to add commas, select it, right click and format cells, select number and select use 1000 separator comma. So check this box, and if you don't need decimal, so make it 0, then click on OK. So we can see we added this commas in numbers. Like this. And make sure once you type more than 15 digit, so after all you will see only 0. Reason it, Excel will not provide after 15 digit any type of number. So thanks for watching.